everyone, my name is Ruchita and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about CG method, that is curly girl or guy method. And if you're not aware what it is basically a method in which you can take care of your dry wavy curly hair in a very gentle way. So you just need to follow these few steps. These are the basic ones that you can start with. So number one is never comb your hair when it's dry. I repeat, never. Combing your hair dry will only cause lots and lots of frizz, breakage and dry hair. What you can do instead is oil your hair and then comb it, or you can also comb your hair after applying your conditioner. Just make sure the conditioner that you are using for detangling has enough slip, otherwise you will always pull your hair and it is no good. When I began my CG journey, I used to detangle after applying the oil, and because I did not have a conditioner that had slip, so that's how I started my CG journey. So tip number 2 is avoiding products that contain sulfates, silicones, drying alcohols or parabens. So sulfates are those drying detergents that strip your hair from its natural oils and it makes it frizzy and dry at the same time. Your hair will feel so dry that you will not be able to understand what's going on with your hair. When I used to use a sulfate shampoo, I used to get so much frizz on the top. I did not understand what's causing so much frizz on my crown, and it looked so bad at that time. And silicones tend to build up on your hair just like plastic. It won't allow the rest of the styling products to work properly and you won't see the results as you needed. And there are different types of alcohols, but it is not necessary all the alcohols are drying. So just make sure it is not a drying alcohol and you are good to go. If you want to know what products are CG and what are not, you can simply add the ingredient list on Curlsbot or isitcg.com. So tip number 3, avoid heat. You can avoid hot water, straightening machines and also blow dryers. You can instead use a diffuser. A diffuser is an attachment that you can attach on a blow dryer, but you can also buy a separate diffuser for it. Number 4 is to avoid chemicals. Now it can be in the form of straightening your hair permanently, smoothing it or even using colors. It is better if you keep your hair all natural, and if you are in a transitioning phase, if your hair is curly at the top and straight at the bottom, you can just cut out the straight part. It is known as big chop. Number 5, do not use a towel. Use a microfiber towel instead, or you can also use a cotton t-shirt. I use a cotton t-shirt. As a beginner, it is a great advice to start with a cotton t-shirt and do not twist around your hair or any sort of that thing. You just need to scrunch up your hair and plop it. Anyone can follow the no towel trick because it will only help you have moisturized hair, because the normal regular towel strips the hair from its natural moisture and it feels really dry and frizzy after that. And last but not the least, this process takes lots and lots of time, so please do not give up on it and just keep practicing it. Use the different techniques, methods, read about it everywhere possible. Read about what's plopping, what's hair diffusing, how to diffuse your hair, how to sleep with curly hair, what are the styling techniques and what else you can learn. There is so much to learn in this journey and it's really amazing journey. You will not always get the same results. You will have different results each time. Some days will be good, some days will be bad, but it is very important to not give up. And slowly it will become your habit. It feels like a meditation when you do your CG routine. Also, you can later on invest on the styling products because it is very important. Styling products are those products that hold your curls in place and moisturize them well. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, you need a leave-in conditioner for your hair to be moisturized even after getting out of the shower. You can also use some curl creams, some gels. Gels give that amazing hold and creams give that shiny, bouncy curls, juicy curls that we all wait for. It's like a moisturizer for hair. Just like skincare, our hair also needs moisturizing too. Why not give it what its needs are? And we just need certain amounts of products. You can also always go there later. First you can only start with a shampoo, then you can move on to a conditioner. You can use the same conditioner as leave-in and then use a gel. You can also make a DIY gel that I have made a video on, or you can also use the Set Wet gel. It is really cheap. Easy method is really amazing and you will slowly get there for sure. Everybody's hair takes different time, but your hair will love you for it. Just don't keep unrealistic expectations from your hair, because it will not just drastically change over a night. It will take months or even years to get there, but please do not give up. That's it. If you want to know my curly hair journey or curly hair routine, please comment down below and let me know which would you like first. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. Lots of love. Bye. Take care of your curls.